Okay. Going back here. Okay, here's how we do it. I just did things in the wrong order. So I'm gonna go in here. Like I said, I'm going to put it before, make a box, fill it white, stroke, black, pixels 2, text here. Bring that down. Okay, so something like that. And then I've got that. You don't have to do it on the board over here. I could just, in fact, let's just get rid of that. I'm going to take this over to the side here. And I'm going to group these. These over here. I'm going to group all of them together. Okay, so my default, I'm going to make the one in the middle. I can see over here. So I'm going to label these. Well, let's see, I'm in group. I want the rectangle. I want to fill it with black. No, wait, that's stroke. Fill with black. Okay. Text is white. Okay, then I'm going to take this group, copy and paste. I haven't done anything with components yet. Sometimes if you want to get to, here we go. Yeah, you have to keep clicking down, you know, it's like Illustrator. And the text is going to be black. And then I'm going to say, oh, I should need, these are supposed to be different amounts. 5, 50, 25, 50. Make this one 15. Text is white. And here, text. Wait, that's stroke. Oops. Wait, how come I can't get the fill? I'll go over here and grab the rectangle from the layers. White, text is black, and then 50 rectangle, black, stroke, no, not stroke, fill is white. Okay, all right, so I've set that up and I haven't done anything with components yet. So this is one, this is another, this is another. I'm gonna go over here and label these. Which one is this? This is, oh wait, we got them. I gotta close all these. Okay, so, oh, come on. Group 42, I'm gonna label these. This is 50. Group 41, which is that? That's 15. 15. And then this one's 25. Okay. So now I'm going to turn each of these into a component. That one's a component. This one's a component. This one's a component. And now if I grab all three of them, I can hit combine as variants over on the side. Combine as variants. Okay, so now we can see it over here. It changed, almost looks like a layer now up there. That's my component with 3 different variants in it right there. So I'm going to now start connecting them so they'll be clickable. So if someone clicks on this 15 right here, any white 15, it's going to switch over to this one right here. So in this case, I'm going to double click on it. I need to be in prototype mode over here. And then once I've selected it, I can click and drag this over to the one I want it to switch to. And the same thing with 50. Click and drag it over here. And you can see this dialog box pops up here. And it says on click, change to, and then these are all the different variants that I have. So it's switching over to 50. So I'm going to do the same thing with these. So 25 goes up here, 50 goes down here, 15 goes here, 25 goes here. Now, in order to test my prototype, I'm not creating a screen over here. I'm just creating a component. And that component is going to show up over here. I've got layers and assets. It's going to show up in assets. There it is right there. So I'm going to drag this into my, it's way too big, but whatever. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I'm going to drag this over here. And now I'm going to test it. I just want to, I'm going to click on the word home up here because I want to make sure that when I play it, it's not going to start with this screen right here. So I'm going to click on home here. And now I'm going to play it. Fingers crossed. There we go. Click, 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 click. Okay, I did it. So from there, you can imagine, you know, if you wanted to have a drop-down menu, you would have a variant that had another, you know, triangle underneath it. And maybe those are clickable and take you to different pages and things like that. Okay. Excellent. All right.